everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check out the Macy's Beauty Box. If you are not familiar with the Macy's Beauty Box, it is a monthly subscription that Macy's puts out. You will get sometimes full size, mostly sample and travel sizes of products from the Macy's Beauty department. There's almost always a coupon in here. There hasn't been almost always perfume samples in here lately, but you may get perfume samples in here. Some months are takeover boxes. Last month was a takeover box from Elizabeth Arden. And if it's a takeover box, there's usually a surprise item with the box. And if it's a takeover box, it's going to be a surprise item themed from that manufacturer. So the surprise item that came with last month's products was a Elizabeth Arden gua sha, which was really cool. Previous to that, we've had Kylie Jenner takeovers, and the surprise item was a really cool rectangle makeup bag. So things like that. Outside of that, the surprise items are really kind of a grab bag. Sometimes they've been really fun. Sometimes they've been really cheap, kind of dollar store feeling stuff, but it's a free item and it's a surprise item, and so you don't complain about free stuff. So let's check out and see what we got. As we're getting into this box, if you haven't yet, I would love for you to hit subscribe. If you like this video, I'd love for you to hit that like button and share my videos if you have any friends or family you think would enjoy it. And if you don't want to miss out, I can't get this open. If you don't want to miss out on future uploads, you can hit that notifications bell as well. All right, I finally got it. We have our notorious pink tissue paper in our box that fully falls apart as soon as you untape it. So I'm going to start with, what is our coupon for this month? Oh, we got a $10 off $40 beauty purchase from Macy's. So this month's coupon is for $10. And we have our pink tissue paper, matches my pink shirt. By the way, this is a Temu shirt. My sister and I get a ton of our clothes actually from Temu, and now we're starting to use Shein. And I'm probably saying it wrong. It's probably Temu, and I don't know what they call Shein, but I call it Temu and Shein. Some people have asked if we wanted to do like a Temu try-on or show you what the clothes look like. If you're interested in that, please let us know. We have everything from shirts, pants, dresses galore, just lots of things. I've gotten everything even from bras there. So and swimsuits, shoes, I mean, seriously, socks, everything. Well, I can give you some previews of what some of the clothes look like and what they fit like and all that good stuff. But I love this one. It's a poofy sleeve one. It was actually one I got for free from playing one of the games. So those do actually work. So let's get into our Macy's, unwrapping the many layers of tissue. Whoa, I'm losing stuff. Many layers of tissue paper. I'm just going to have to set it down to open it. It's going to spill. So this one, you do get 5 products. This one we did not get a surprise item. That's really unusual. Generally, you will always get a surprise item, either themed, like I said, with the takeover or just something extra in the box. But this one has only 5 items, and they are none of them a surprise item. So our first item is going to be a Diana Madison Beauty, the Glow Factor, and this is Rose Hip Seed Oil Hydrating Face Sheet Mask. And we got 1 mask. And I don't know the values of these. I will put it in the corner and see if you buy just one, how much it is, or if it comes in a set. But as we go through the box, I'll put what I know about the product here in the corner. So we have a Diana Madison mask. And it does feel like there's a lot of good product in there, so it's nice and squishy. Our next product is from Kors, and this is a foaming cream cleanser. So we got a little, just 20 ml, almost an ounce of a foaming cream cleanser from Kors. So that's a cool little sample. This one, yeah, is all trial sizes, all travel and trial sizes. Occasionally you will get a full-size product in here, but it is primarily travel and sample sizes. This one is from Buddha. It says Buddha. And this says this is a tea tree mask scrub. So maybe this is the theme. Maybe everything else is a mask. This is a clay mask, so this may be 2 uses, but I don't use a mask every week, even I know you're supposed to, but as infrequently as I use a mask, 2 of these is fine. So our next one is from Frey, F-R-E. We're going to go with Frey. And this is a Glow Me Tinted Moisturizer. Ooh, I've actually been looking for some of these. I have been using mainly like a glowing serum and just some blush and eye cream. Today I have a little bit of foundation mixed with that. So A tinted moisturizer is just up my alley for right now, and I can try this one out and see if I do like it for a full size. I've been looking at the different ones on the Ipsy sale that they're doing right now, so that gives me that one to try. And this is the another Kors product. No, this is a Kapari, and I've had this one before. I can't remember how I liked it or not, but this is a Kapari Golden Aura Body Oil with 24 karat gold and hyaluronic acid. So it actually does have, you can see inside, it has gold flakes in it. And it is just a body oil after your shower or bath. You can use this. So I will definitely be trying that out and see if I like it again. I cannot remember if I liked the last one I got or not. So I'll try it again for the first time. So this was our Macy's box for $15. I will say this is one box that I am not a huge fan of the products for the value. I know the Kors and the Kapari, and these are good products. I don't know about the Butter brand. I'm not familiar with it. Or the Frey. Or this one. These are brands I'm not familiar with, so it's a good opportunity for me to be introduced to them as a sample versus, never knowing about them at all and finding out they're amazing, or finding out they're good and having to pay full price to try it. So this gives me a chance to try it. Again, this is similar to, if you guys have watched my Walmart videos, I just filmed the Walmart video for the spring, and it will probably be out before I post this one. But to get something, and some months, every month is a hit. Some things are just a hit and a miss. But for the $15 a month, the months that are a super win far outweigh the disappointment when the box is not the best. So yeah, to me, this box is kind of but last month was amazing. We've gotten a single sample that was a $70 sample that was Giorgio Armani. It was a Giorgio Armani sample that we got in a recent box. So you never know what you're going to get. Don't cancel if you get one you hate. Just wait it out and see what comes the next time. But this one, I like it. Again, maybe they made up for part of it by giving us a $10 off coupon instead of a $5 coupon. So this was our Macy's box for April. This is our April box. I'm sorry, this is now April. So this is our April box for Macy's. I'll leave the link below if you want to subscribe. If you have any questions about my other experiences with Macy's, leave me some comments. I'll be happy to answer anything. I'd love for you just to comment and say hi and let me know what subscription boxes you like and what you like from them. I love hearing from you guys. I've gotten so much good feedback and information from the people who view my channels. There's a couple of other YouTubers that do subscriptions, and for those of us that are kind of on the smaller subscription volume unboxers, it's kind of a little community, which I really love. And we comment back and forth on each other's videos. And I get so much feedback. Ann and Camel is one that has been so helpful to me. She has a really cool take on her unboxings. She is a ventriloquist and uses a puppet for helping her in her unboxing. So it's really interesting to watch. It's really fun. And she's the best one for finding hidden treasures and things. She let me know about a hidden compartment in one of the palettes that came in my P. Louise advent calendar that I may have never found otherwise. There was a free sample in a Drunk Elephant product we got last month that she said, hey, that's in there, and let me know. So thank you, Anne, for that. I appreciate it, and I appreciate you watching. So check her channel out. I might leave a link for her below too. You guys need to check out her channel. It's super fun. But this was our Macy's box for April. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.